Meaning of day school.
Day school.
Day school.
Day school.
Day school. A day school is a type of educational institution where students attend classes during the day and return home in the evening, as opposed to boarding schools where students live on campus. Day schools can be either public or private and offer a range of academic programs such as preschool, elementary, middle, and high schools. In day schools, students have the opportunity to participate in extracurricular activities and spend more time with their families. The main advantage of day schools is that they provide a structured learning environment while allowing students to maintain close relationships with their parents and guardians.